Cravings.
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 Cravings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed and I'm so excited today because today we're celebrating Father's Day and we got all of our wonderful fathers here and their kids and they're going to be having a cook-off. First, let me introduce you to the teams. Team A is my family, Mac and Aaron Ahmed. I hope they've been getting some ideas from all of the videos they helped me make. Team B is Chris and Doran Gardonis. You can tell they're in it to win it. Team C is Ravish and Shania Kohli. They don't like the camera, but they can make a mean curry. Team D is Rahul Chandar and Cleon Gardonis. This is their first time in the competition and their confidence is off the charts. Team E is Derek and Cameron Miranda. Both are accomplished chefs and Cami is a big fan of Cravings, so I know he's going to do really well. Team F is Kumar and Nikita Jyotsingani. They've competed before and they're both excited to put Nikita's talents to good use. And finally, the musical Team G are newcomers too, Malcolm and Annabelle Rodriguez. Let's hope the judges dance to their tune. The teams have access to a somewhat stocked pantry and each one will be given a mystery bag and 30 minutes to prepare their dish. The teams are getting very antsy and I can't hold them back anymore, so on your marks, get set, go! The mystery items are a bag of wasabi peas, mama noodles, a potato, coconut water, and some dry red chilies. Let's see what these teams come up with. There is a mad dash to get pantry items to enhance their dish. While some teams start to prep, some get started on the cooking. There are only 4 stoves for 7 teams, so time and resource management is very important. All the action is being caught by my trusty cameramen, my son Adam and my friend's son Jake. Both Adam and Jake have been helping me since they were 13 years old, so they have a lot of experience under their belts. And also, they work for food. We are filming at beautiful Sybil Point in Sutton. It's a beautiful sunny day and the park is packed. The rest of the people here are wondering what the hell is going on, and we've already had 2 park rangers and a cop stop by and they were really fascinated with all of this craziness. This is absolutely a case of too many cooks in one kitchen. 7 teams are crammed on 3 picnic tables and they have to share space and resources. All of the kids in this competition have grown up together. Most of these are now in high school and university, but to us, they will always be little babies. Let's check in with the teams. Team A seems confident and have a plan, or maybe 2 plans. I hope they can pull this off. They start by furiously peeling potatoes. Team B, Gardonis is our reigning champion. Everyone is out to get him this time, but he's looking confident. The Kohlis are cool as cucumbers. Ravish is an old childhood friend of mine and an amazing cook, and you may have seen him earlier on my channel with his barbecue recipes. Team D is the Chandar Gardonis dynamic duo. Coming from the financial and medical fields respectively, they look like they got this. Something spicy is cooking up in their kitchen for sure. Team E are the Mirandas. Both father and son are accomplished chefs, so I can't wait to see what they come up with. Stick them out.
That was a good one.
Team F are the Jyotsingani. Senior Jyotsingani was our resident cheater last year, so I'm keeping a close eye on him. It looks like they're in hot soup, but this is a good thing. And last but not least, Team G are the Rodriguez. They look like they're going to take this one on the presentation front, but I am biased to the K. The older kids that aren't competing, Rishi, Calvin, and Jade, are judging the competition based on presentation. The contestants are trying to butter them up, but they don't seem to be phased at all. Damn, it's spam. The pots are getting stirred. Potatoes and chilies are getting fried here in a similar fashion. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks interesting. Amidst the chaos, the seniors in our group are unfazed.
Hey, no, man. We're not done yet. Not done yet, we're just putting them good together. That's not done. That's not the real plate. My line.
The timekeeper yells out the time, and the teens are close to plating. Ugh, what a mess. I know that we're going to have to clean this up later. It's time to count down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hands up! Well done, well done.
So welcome back to Cravings blog. We have our dish. We have our dish of the sun-kissed honeydew flower of India. It is it's a nice on the bottom there's a nice crispy potato chip with nice it's nice and caramelized, and then on top we have our signature secret recipe ramen. That's the best ramen you've ever had in your life. And then on top we mushed up some wasabi peas with some Indian spices, and on top some seaweed, and then a drop of a nice yolk sauce. which brings it all together very nicely. Yes, that's it.
Delicious.
It is delicious.
Amazing job.
Good afternoon, folks. This is a tough act to follow, given last time, right? You know who the master chef was. Just to follow that act, it's so tough. I just feel so tough. I feel so much of pressure right there. But what we have here is Doru vegetable Thai rolls, after the name of the famous chef Donis, named after him, right? What goes into it? You got a little bit of carb, a little bit of veggies, and a whole bunch of fusion. Malcolm, you'll get your turn. What else is there in it? Okay, yeah, I remember now. These Thai rolls are the best today. Every bite is like a fusion of taste in your mouth. Almost orgasmic. Thank you, folks.
So this is basically Kravings, not all day breakfast, Kravings midnight breakfast. So when you get back from the pub at 2 in the morning, you miss dinner, you're going to miss breakfast, right? So we got a nice combination by Chef Shania here. We got some al dente ramen chow. We finish it off with some nice English chips, sauteed in some red chili oil. We got a fried egg. And then we've got some beautiful spam from Hawaii with a little bit of sriracha sauce. And then obviously Shania has given us some touch with some nice fried peas. Perfect after a hangover.
Obviously amazing.
Hey guys, this here is Chef Cleon, or shall I say Dr. Cleon. Rahul Chandar here, not so much of a chef, but still there assisting him. What we have here now, it's actually it's a fusion between Italian and Mexican. So as you can see, we have a bit of everything. We have carbs to keep you full, we have proteins to give you sustained energy, and we have some veggies out there. So don't hold back, dig in. The recipe out here, it's pretty complicated actually say. It's been passed down in my family ages after ages after ages, generations to go. The sauce especially the sauce, the secret ingredient here is coconut water. Take it away.
So yeah, we made like a fusion dish that you can have it for breakfast. The egg is just, that's like the classic breakfast thing, you know. The sauce was made with ketchup, soy sauce, and coconut milk.
Why are you giving away the secret? It's a family secret.
Oh, sorry. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Okay?
What's up, guys? Your boy Sauce It Up 123 here, and today we made a nice brunch, and we are the hot stuff. This brunch is called Hot Island. You already know.
Man, Hot Island, boys.
What we got here is we got ramen noodles cooked in garlic, chilies, and sriracha, and it is delicious. It is popping. These kidney beans, they're popping. Every bite you take, new flavor. We got some protein here, delicious, nice and spicy already, you know. And we got some nice crispy potatoes, and they are delicious. That's all I got for you guys today.
Well, guys,
Please enjoy.
Thank you very much for coming to watch us cooking. We were unfortunately called somewhere else, but we are here. Thank you.
Wait.
Guys, what we have out here is a ramen Greek soup. I have to go back where it comes from. It originated from a small town in Greek island called Santorini. Last year, we were fortunate enough to go and obtain that recipe. Now, this Greek salad or soup has a dusted Greek organic spices. This amazing Greek soup
It's a fusion of flavors.
is a fusion of flavor with wasabi peas. Also has a zest of
Chilies.
organic fresh chilies. Come on, guys. If you have this, you don't want any
Perfect for
other
every
soup.
college student.
Thank you, guys.
Like a subscribe. How many do we have left? Cravings.
Cravings.
Cravings. Cravings. Okay, so we have K for Karen
K for cravings
and noodles
with
with
a
a
K.
K. Let's put this down. So what we have here is a mixed together ramen noodles with seasoned potatoes, right, Dad?
Yes.
Yes. And we got, we mixed it all together with some wasabi peas, and we put some, what is this called? Coriander, I think. Cornmeal? What? Coriander. Okay, we seasoned it with that. Put some chilies at the side, as you see they're sticking out, and we topped it with a big K. Okay, and we got some, what's it called? Sriracha sauce around it, and you can eat it with some crackers. That is served around.
Noodles with a K.
Noodles with a K.
The judges agree on a score, but they don't know that I have a secret weapon. Mabel Coley, my mom's best friend, has not been watching the action and is now going to judge based on taste. As you can see, this was a very, very hard task, but she manages to score the teams. You may remember Mabel from my Fugias video where she taught me how to make the perfect Fugias. It's now time to announce a winner. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload tons of videos every week. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. The judging has commenced and everyone had a great time. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures, but I'm not going away before I announce the winner. This year, the winner is Team Rodriguez. They're going to get this wonderful crown, some cash money, as well as a lovely Cravings Food Adventures apron and a mug. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Keep watching Cravings Food Adventures. Come. Take this. Cash. And take off your hat, please, because you get a new one.
Malcolm, you're going to have to cook now.
जानी ये चाकू है कट जाए तो खून निकल आता है